Continuing from my last video, this website is built using YII framework. The name of this website is ClockN. Here the user can use this login button to log in to his or her account. Since I have already logged in, I am jumping to the dashboard of the website. After logging in, the user will find this page, and here are several options that are available for the users. Here is the map where the user can trace the user can trace the worker where he is working. On clicking on it, it will give a short description about the working time. This is mainly a website that manages the worker's total work time. This is the current time that has been shown in the clock in and clock out option. The current time the worker is working, the day and the week. Here the user can select the category and here the address of the worker will be given. Here the user can add some notes, and the two options are there. There is clock out and clock in and break in. In the break in option, if the user clicks, the clock will automatically be stopped as it's a break time, and when the worker will come back from the break, he can click on this breakout option to resume the timing. As you can see that the time has been resumed again, and when the worker has completed doing the work, he or she can click on the clock out option where the time will be stopped. We can see just a moment, and the time has been stopped. Next is the history option. While clicking the history option, the list of workers that have worked has been shown in a tabular format. The table has got name with working time, break time, in time, out time, and the total time of worker. Next option is the job code. In the job code section, the user can see the name and the created job code and the status, which are active and inactive. The user can edit by using this option and can remove the job by using this delete option. Next is the user management option, where the list of users details will be given: the name, the phone number, the email address, and the rate of per hour, and the status, whether he or she is active or working or not working. And there are two options available for the user, that is edit and delete. If the user want to edit something, he can use this option, and if the user wants to delete the job user list, he can use this delete option. Next option is the manage groups option. Here the list of groups are available: the name, the created time, and several options which the user can use to see. This is the edit option, this is the clock in option, this is the groups option, and this is the viewing option. Finally the delete option. If the user want to delete a group, he or she can use this option. The user can also sort by using this option, and if the user wants to create a new group, this add new option will have to be clicked, and the group name in a new page, a group name will be asked, and by writing the name and submitting button, the group will be created. Next is the audit trial report section, where the date, user, and the action has been given finally. And this is the generate report options, where all the employees list are given. The user have to select an employee from a month, select the date and to and from, and search. Here, since there is no results, that's why it is not displaying, otherwise it would have displayed in this tabular form. If the user wants to send the report to the email address, he or she can use this a text box to write the email address, and using the send mail option the user can send the mail, and the save as PDF option helps the user to save the file in the computer. Next, there is the settings option where the user can do several settings like enable the notes feature, enable the military time, enable the break feature on or off. There is a round time and overtime option. The overtime rate will be calculated according this. If the user wants to change it, he or she can change it by clicking on it. And finally, the update option where the account will be updated, the transaction history, and find the time management option where the time management option there is a tabular view of the workers that have been working, the in time, the out time, the total time hours that have the worker has spent has been shown over here. There are two options like edit and delete. This option for editing the anything, the user have to click on this option, and finally for deleting it the user have to use this delete option to delete the account. Next, finally there is the logout option for the user to log out of the account. Thank you for watching.